Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is 2 hours before 1:45 p.m. is what time? We have to find 2 hours before 1:45 p.m. That is, we need to subtract these 2 hours. Subtract 2 hours from 1:45 p.m. So, 1:45 minus 2. Now, to subtract this, subtract hours first. So, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then subtract minutes. So it is 45 minus 0 means 45. Now here we can observe minutes are okay, but the hours are less than 1. Here hours are less than 1. So add 24. That is minus 1 plus 24 means 23. So the answer is 23 hours 45 minutes. This is 24 hours clock. So convert it into, which is convert it into 12 hours clock. So it is 11:45 of the previous day. Means (11:45 a.m.). Hence 2 hours before 1:45 p.m. is 11:45 a.m., which is our option C.